I am back with my series where I do analysis of all India installed capacity and I give data of total installed capacity of India and because I usually get this data from the public domain and in public domain the data up to September 2021 is available and I am going to start that analysis for September 2021. And I always says if we start about the total India installed capacity in megawatt of all the power station, basically there are five main region: northern, western, southern, eastern, northeastern, and islands. And if you look at the mode wise breakup, we have basically thermal. In thermal again it has four component: coal, lignite, gas, diesel, nuclear, hydro, and renewable energy resources. If you look at the grand total, and you will find that the total installed capacity for the month of September 2021 is 388 lakh 388 gigawatt, you can say. And out of that, renewable energy sources 101 gigawatt is a big thing. We have achieved that landmark in August, and it's a proud moment for India because we have crossed that 100 gigawatt target for renewable energy resources. Thermal in coal it is around 2 lakh 6,000 for lignite, and gas 24,000, diesel 509, and total comes out to be 2 lakh 34,000 234 gigawatts for your thermal. Coming next, it is about the percentage of various sources to the total installed capacity. If you look at that pie chart and the table, the percentage of thermal to that of total installed capacity for the month of September is 60.18%, whereas for nuclear is 1.7, and that of hydro is 11.96%, and renewable energy stands here 26.11. It's a big thing that is depicted by that pie chart and table. Now, time to talk about the contribution of various sources of thermal in if we take thermal as the 100%, the percentage of coal is 86.31%, whereas for lignite it is 2.8, and gas is 10.64, and diesel is 0.2178%. That is depicted by that pie chart and shown in that table also. Time to talk about the renewable resources for September 2021, and we have already achieved 101 gigawatts. And if we do the analysis, the small hydro constitute 4.7%, wind is 39, biopower is 10, and whereas the solar is the highest one, 45.57%, depicted by that table and that pie chart. Now, time to do the comparison vis-a-vis the last month, August 2021 with the September 2021. If you look at the table for northern region, there is a change in the plus side, zero point 0.5, for western 0.37, southern it is 0.10, for eastern region it is in the minus 0.97, for northeastern region it is again minus 0.49. For islands there is no change, and the total overall change is plus 0.18. Now coming to do the last but not the least percentage comparison of various renewable resources. If you look at that table, if you compare the renewable resources comparison vis-a-vis the August 2021, there is overall percentage change is in plus, and that is because of the solar, that is 0.14, for bio it is in minus, for wind power is it is in plus, and for total small hydro it is in minus. And contribution of various sources of renewable, if you look at the contribution vis-a-vis August 2021, there is small change, negligible small minus change in minus 0.03 for small hydro. For wind it is again in minus, but for solar it is plus 27. This is all about the analysis, and thanks everyone for giving support to my channel and giving support to my videos, and I will be making such videos to update my young engineers about the installed capacity, and that series will continue. Thank you everyone for your support. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir.